I am so excited to bring everything we've talked about together into a simple system so that you can quickly and easily clean your home and lower the load where we actually have some control. And this is where things start feeling really simple. I'm going to move through these products quickly because the goal isn't to dump a bunch of statistics and information on you. It's to show you just a simple system. Let's start with surfaces. We talked about this cloth yesterday. This is your E for everything cloth. Use it with just water. No cleaner, no residue. The dense weave inside the cloth physically lifts and removes what's on your surface instead of spreading them around. So this is what I use on the counters, the tables, the high chairs, mattresses, carpets, basically anywhere hands land all day long. And what is really cool is that BacLock technology, those silver ions in the cloth, actually help to self-purify the cloth as it dries within a 24-hour period, as long as with proper care and use. And so its best friend is the window cloth. They go together like PB and J. So after I've cleaned, I grab this and then I dry any shiny surfaces with the window cloth so it is streak-free and dazzling. Mirrors, windows, stainless steel. It's fast and it is oddly satisfying. And it has replaced paper towels for me. So I want to show you, I have a bunch of Picassos in my house, and sometimes I get little messes that are kind of greasy, maybe dog prints on the window or chapstick or on the mirrors, and I will just clean it with my wet Enviro cloth, and then I'm going to come behind and dry it with the window cloth. So easy. My 8-year-old daughter is the one that does all the windows. So this next one is the one that people often overlook. Dusting. Raise your hand, tell me, do you like to dust? Or is it something you do very often? I don't. Dust isn't just dirt. It's skin cells, pollen, pet dander, and other things that can aggravate allergies and asthma. There's actually been 45 different chemicals found in household dust. So everything in your home degrades and it adds to the dust in your home. Carpets, couches, clothing, even those electronics like your television, and those chemicals, things that are used in manufacturing, those are not things that were designed to be breathed in. This mitt uses static to grab and hold dust instead of just pushing it back into the air. A quick swipe over baseboards, vents, surfaces, and even blinds, and you're done. No spray, no cloud of dust just floating around, and it kind of like sucks it all up into the mitt. And then when you're finished, you're going to take your rubber brush and brush it out over the trash. Or if you're like me and you've got some frustration pent up in there from being with the kids all day, I might take it outside and beat it against the side of the house to release the dust that way too. This is most definitely easier, but this is definitely a stress control if I beat it. So the next one, the fourth one is the cleaning paste. This is your heavy lifter. Many of us like to call it elbow grease in a jar. This is what I grab for stuck-on messes, for sinks, tubs, grout, stove tops. And when you first open it, do not be alarmed. It's not really a paste. It's more like a hard, chalky substance. And when you wipe over it with a wet Enviro cloth or one of the sponges, it becomes a paste. It's made of marble flour, which is what does all the work for you. So things like brushed stainless rather, or nickel faucets, make sure you spot test it first to be sure it doesn't scratch. But I'm going to show you on this tile with a permanent marker. Anybody ever had any child or grab one of these and write on things? Well, this cleaning paste has saved the day for me. I'm going to just write here. It's kind of a porous tile. It's not one of those glossy, shiny ones. And all I'm going to do is swipe my EnviroCloth back to our E for Everything cloth across the surface of that. And I'm going to clean it with a little bit of pressure. No fumes, no gloves, no extra scrubbing until it is gone. This one over here has been there for a few days, so it does take a little bit more. If you need more, you just swipe it again and then clean it with the clean side. And there we go. So laundry. How many of you love to do laundry? I know I don't. And laundry is something that was honestly a main frustration point in our home. Our clothes and our sheets, they touch our skin constantly. And this is what I want to show you. I have some jars here, and this one is the leading brand of liquid detergent. And if you can see, it is blue. That is because it has optical brighteners in it. And optical brighteners pretty much coat the fabric and make them appear to be brighter and whiter than they really are. If you have ever watched them do mixing paint for bright white, they actually add blue dye to it to make it look whiter. Same thing here. And again, if this is coating the fabric, it's also sitting on your skin. And has been found that a chemical takes about 26 seconds to be absorbed into your bloodstream when it touches your skin. This is the leading brand of powdered detergent that we were using before. And if you see, it is full. It has all of this sediment here. It doesn't matter how much I shake it, that's not going to dissolve into it. It's going to sink back down to the bottom. And that's because it's full of fillers. Fillers can be anything from sawdust to chalk dust, even to crushed horse hooves. And they add it because it helps to give it some heft so you feel like you're putting something into your machine, but also to help beat the dirt out of your clothes, which over time is going to degrade the fibers. And this is the Norwex detergent. Now you see it's clear. I promise there is detergent in there. It gets bubbly when I shake it, but that's because the Norwex detergent is free of all of those things. The optical brighteners, the phthalates, the fillers, the fragrances, none of those things are in the Norwex detergent. It dissolves it completely, and it is safe for septic systems and marine life. This is the Power Zone, and this is my favorite Norwex detergent. It is also has enzymes in it, which are kind of like little ninjas that go and beat apart, they break apart the dirt in your clothing so that they can just be washed away. At a molecular level, it's breaking down those stains, breaking down those odors, breaking down the dirt. This is my go-to. And there are 100 HE loads or 66 top load loads in this one little bag. Super economical and super heavy duty. One detergent, no fabric softener, no scent boosters, and no extra steps. And then there's my favorite, the mop. This is the tool that ties everything together. That comes with the handle, the head, the dry pad, and the wet pad. They switch out easily, so you can go quickly from dry mopping and picking up the dirt, the dust, the hair, to wet mopping. I can sweep, mop, and clean without hauling out the bucket or switching products. The pads can be brushed out with the rubber brush and then tossed in the washer when I need to. And even my kids can do this. My 3-year-old loves to help to mop the floor. And honestly, that tells me everything. If it's simple enough for them, it's simple enough for real life. The mop is why so many people host a workshop like this. Hosting is how many families earn these tools for free or at a deep discount. And some people host specifically to earn the mop because it replaces so much at once. And for others, this becomes something more. If you love sharing simple solutions and helping people feel less overwhelmed at home, a consultant account can really be a natural fit. And that's how I earned all of the tools I use every day. If that's something that interests you, go ahead, comment here or send me a quick PM, and I'd love to chat about what that could look like for you. These products are not about doing more. They're about doing less. So before you go, which of these products feel like it would make the biggest difference in your home right now?